This video is going to cover worked examples for probability. We have 6 worked examples to go through. Our first one is to construct the sample space for rolling a 6-sided die. So we need to list all of the possible outcomes that we can get from rolling a 6-sided die. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and that's our sample space. Example 2, using the probability scale, what is the probability that it will snow on Christmas in Australia? So remember that our probability scale goes from 0 to 1, from impossible through to certain. Now, snowing on Christmas Day in Australia, that is going to be impossible. Number 3, I roll a non-biased 6-sided die. Are all events equally likely? So when I roll the dice, does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 all have the same chance of occurring? Yes, they do. So yes, all events are equally likely. Our next one is to construct a sample space for drawing a card from a standard deck of cards. So our sample space, now remember in a deck of cards we have 4 suits. So we have hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. And then in each deck we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, king, queen, jack, and ace. And then you can fill in the other set for the diamonds, the clubs, and the spades. So that whole set there is our sample set. So you can see that there's 52 possible outcomes from drawing a card from a standard deck of cards. Okay, example 5, using the probability scale, what is the probability that I will obtain a head when I flip a coin? So our sample space, when we flip a coin, we can get heads or tails. So what's the probability that I'll obtain a head? Well, it's a 1 in 2 chance, so we can call that 50-50. Now, if we use that probability scale, we know that 50-50 is also the same as 0.5, a half, and 50%. Okay, example 6, are the outcomes of the spinner equally likely? So if you have a look at the spinner, A, B, and C all have the same chance of occurring. In this case, they don't, because A takes up half of the circle, whereas B and C only take up a quarter each. So therefore, the events are not equally likely. Because A has a higher chance of occurring than B and C.